Introducing the lightweight yet robust portable mini stacker. This highly maneuverable compact stacker is ideal for lifting and transporting loads in your shop or warehouse. Use it to maneuver material down aisleways and lift loads to an ergonomic height for easy shelving. A convenient handbrake allows operators to temporarily immobilize the lift and use it as a temporary workstation for packaging applications. Units weigh just 81 pounds but can lift and transport loads up to 260 pounds. The 2-inch wide forks are 16 inches long. The fork width can be adjusted from 7 3/4 inches to 16 inches to accommodate a variety of loads. The portable mini stacker offers a service range of 3.5 to 41 inches and a sturdy steel construction that features a fully enclosed cable housing and easy-turn side mount handle for adjusting the fork height. The ergonomically designed handle allows for maximum maneuverability. For a variety of applications throughout your workplace, contact your distributor today for more information on the convenient portable mini stacker. It's the ergonomic solution you've been looking for.